Hi, this is Keisuke from Carused.jp. Our company is selling good quality Japanese used cars that were carefully manufactured in Japan to over 90 countries around the world. Before we move on, we'll keep updating this channel, so if you are interested in Japanese cars, make sure to subscribe this channel, like this video, and comment on it too. And let us know what kind of other videos you'd like to see. Today, I would like to recommend a camping car. These days, camping is becoming popular worldwide. The demand of camping cars is rising at the same time. Today, I will introduce the FIAT DUCATO 2003. This camping car is a left-handed car with AT shift, diesel engine, and fits maximum 6 people. The best thing to have a camping car is of course the inside. Inside the car, we have space to sleep for 4 people, which includes a bunk bed. And other equipments, we have gas-type hot water, boiler, side awning, microwave, 2-burner cooking stove, and hot shower. As you can see from the picture, you have enough space to have a trip without a hotel. And you have a rack for the bike on the end of the car. The size of the car is length 6,200 millimeters, width 2,250, and height 3,100. In the inside, as you can see from the number, it is big enough for a long trip. The picture which we are using is the actual car that we sold. We sold it for $24,532 US to Iquique port, which is in Chile, with C&F transaction system. We strongly recommend camping cars who has a hobby to go camping and also who has a family and can use for your vacation to take your children to. How was our video? Please subscribe our channel to be updated and also comment us to let us know what kind of video you want to see more.